TalentEgg.ca is a career resource that caters to Canadian students and recent graduates. The site specializes in entry-level jobs, internships, and co-op programs, and is based on millcrown.com, a UK site that also caters to students and new graduates. The company was created in April 2008 by Lauren Fries and is based in Toronto. It is meant to replace traditional forms of on-campus recruitment. The target demographic of the website is 18 to 25-year-olds. The site includes job opportunities, company profiles, career resource articles, an employer directory, email notifications, and more. It currently boasts traffic of 250,000 visitors per month from across Canada, with a projected audience of 3 million in 2013. See also: employment website. References: TalentEgg cracks large firm market by Aaron Berry, financialpost.com, August 13, 2012. Lauren Fries interview by Brian Haynes, about.com online business success stories, June 28, 2010. Innovative job site may help even philosophy grads by Mark Milner, CTV.ca News, April 27, 2009. External links. Official website.